Hello everyone, welcome to Walk with English. In this lesson, we hope to study the negative form of the simple present tense. The formula of the negative form of the simple present tense is subject plus auxiliary verb plus the negative form not plus the base form and the object. The subject of the sentence is you can use any noun or pronoun as the subject. Nouns like the teacher and pronouns like I, we, he, she, it, like that way. The auxiliary verb. There are two auxiliary verbs in the simple present tense and they are do and does. We can use the auxiliary do with the subjects like pronoun I and any plural noun or pronoun. And the auxiliary does is used with singular subjects and pronouns. Then the negative form not and base form. Then what is a base form? The verb gave is changed into gives by adding s at the end of the verb. The verb give is changed by adding ing to the verb. Then gave is the second verb of the give. Given is the third form of the give. Then the give verb is the base form of the verb. Gives, we add s because this is a simple present tense verb. Then the base form of the gives is gave. The base form of the given is give. The base form of the gave is give. The base form of the given is give. Right? Let's look at the example. I like chocolate. This is the positive form of the simple present tense. With pronoun I, we do not change the verb with the positive form. Then there is, before the main verb, there is the auxiliary verb here. With pronoun I, we can use the auxiliary do. With I, we can use the auxiliary do. The auxiliary verb is here, but it is hidden. Right? Then we have found the auxiliary verb of this sentence. Then what is the formula? Subject I, auxiliary verb is do. Then we add the negative form not. Then the base form. The base form of the like is like. Object of the sentence is chocolate. Right? I do not like chocolate. Next one. Positive form is she waters the plants. With the subject she, it is a third person singular subject. So we add s to the base form water. This is the base form. Then the verb ends with s and s stands for the auxiliary does. Right? The auxiliary is here but it is hidden. Then the subject is she, the auxiliary verb is does. We add the negative form not. Then the base form of the verb is water. Object is the plants. The negative form is she does not water the plants. Next one. The teacher punishes the students. The base form is punish and we add es at the end of the verb and es stands for the auxiliary does. The does is here but it is hidden. Then the subject is the teacher. Auxiliary verb is does. We have found it already. Then the negative form not and the base form of the verb is punish and The object is students. The teacher does not punish students. I hope you understand the lesson. Thank you.